Yeah, Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com. There's a new video unboxing. Don't forget to like and subscribe below. Okay, if you like my videos. If you don't, just put down, I hate your videos, go away. Okay, the next video is a Ninco car. And this is the, it's the item number 40466 Peugeot 307 WRC Expert. Okay, and again, nice looking car. This is just a great... what is it about slot cars? Okay, well, I mean, if you just want to add another car to your collection, this is just a nice car to do it. Okay, fun driving. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is when you're undoing a car, you want to undo the screws first. Okay, now this has a super or speeder motor, NC5, I think, motor. This is a really cool motor. What do you want? Keeps pointing to me. Oh, this is a four-wheel drive car. Oh my gosh, this is cool. So this is a four-wheel, but it's not off the road, okay? You see the, you got the rubber band going to the front two wheels and the back wheels here, and it's got your really awesome suspension. It's called the Pro Shock Independent Suspension, okay? So each of your tires are different suspension, okay? So this is really cool. I like this. All right, so let's adjust your guide braids. Remember, you always want to get you, because they're flat when they come out of the factory. Okay, so we want to put it on the track here. See how she goes. Let's test her out. Look at that, four-wheel drive. Ooh, nice and smooth. You see how smooth that is? Wow, that's smooth, nice and quiet. Oh, what a body. All right, let's screw that body on. All right, so this is really nice because it only has two screws. Okay, I didn't know this was a four-wheel drive car. See, some things I don't know. I always tell my kids I know 97% everything, and the other three, it doesn't matter. And they don't like that. All right, so let's get that in here. All right. Yeah, that's a nice car. Of course, it'd be nice if I had it screwed in. Come on, Brian, get this screwed in here. Okay. All right. There, nice tight. So that's your WRC or Peugeot. Okay, really nice. Nice detail interior. Real nice detail interior. This is just this would be a great beater for your kids. You know, if you got a kid that, you know, you're trying to get him to race and everything, this is really nice. Four-wheel drive. That's your NC5 motor. I think it's, what is it, 16,000 RPM? 20,000 RPM. Whoa, that's 20,000. Wow. 20,000. Wait a minute. Is that right? Let me check that. Yeah, it is 20,000 RPMs. Wow, cool. All right, so that's out of the box, Ninco. Item number 50466.